National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, West Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, East Central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Doylestown to Idleland to near Wisconsin, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Doylestown, Byram, Hatboro, Jenkintown, Chalfont, Rockledge, New Hope, Yardley, Newtown, Dublin, Thomastown, Abington, Linghorn, Bremerton, Idleland, and Stockton. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 342 and 357. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey near mile marker 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.